So hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to a live session, guys. Welcome to live session only onto the YouTube channel, Fun with Data Science. So yeah, how are you people doing? Tell me out. Okay, just 1 second. Let me open the chat over here. Allow me a minute, guys. Okay, so yeah, hi PH Ajay. Very good evening, Aryan Gupta. Hi Thunder Games. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Deepak. Very good evening, PH Ajay. Om, hello ma'am. Just saw your podcast with Fraz about how you rose up from failures and now making 35 LPA filters. But thank you. Thanks a lot, Om. Thanks a lot for watching that out. Hi Shalini. Welcome to the live stream. Loop programmer. Hi Shambhavi. Can to do video podcast with me in my YouTube channel. Sure, loop programmer, we can connect over LinkedIn for the same discussion. Okay, you can just connect with me over my LinkedIn ID and then we can have the further discussion over the same thing. Okay, and hi, okay, great, good to hear that, PS charges. So I just want to tell you all that today, right away, in the evening, one of my new podcast has been released by with Fraz. Okay, so it is onto his channel only. The name for the channel is Fraz itself, Fraz. And even I had made in a community post for the same. So very quickly go ahead onto the community section, guys, and check out that podcast. I hope you'll enjoy that as well. Priyanshu, okay, hi Rahul. Priyanshu, hi ma'am. Hi Priyanshu, I'm learning English. Please, मुझे English सिखा दीजिए, please. Sure, Priyanshu. If you had watched out my Josh Talks video, which is onto the Josh Talks Spoken English channel, if you had watched out that video, see to that I had sharing some tips and tricks, the way I learned English, and the same how you can also learn English. Okay, so yeah, you can just refer out those particular ones, and you can refer over there for learning and for how you can improve your English and how you can learn speaking English. Okay. Uh, Hi Amanat. Yes, I reached from there. The okay, great Priprat. Great to have you here from there. Great to have you. Om Gupta, yeah, today we completed a 15k family as well. So guys, congrats to you all also. And thanks a lot everyone for supporting me always, because this 15k family we are today. So it won't have been possible without you people. So yeah, really thanks a lot everyone for supporting at every time, and I hope I receive that same support and same love from you people further in the future also. So once again, thanks are done actually to you all. Thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, Amarnath, I'm Joy Aspirant. I watched you in France. Oh, great, Amarnath. Great to have you here. But can we meet you in? Yeah, sure. You can meet me over there. You can just connect over my LinkedIn. That is Shambhavi Gupta. Okay, so you can just connect over there, and further we can have the further communications regarding the same. Okay, you can connect me with there over there. Shambhavi Gupta is my LinkedIn ID. Abhishek, hi Shambhavi, where can we find internship opportunities? Okay, Abhijit, see, internship is the thing. Currently, many companies are making or giving out a lot of internships. So you can just directly reach on to different companies websites, and there you can find in the internship opportunities if that has been launched in by the company. Okay, so you can just please go over there, and there you can find in the internships. Thank you, thanks a lot Rahul, thanks a lot. Can you meet you Dina? Yeah, sure, Preet, yeah, you can message me over LinkedIn, and there we can have the further discussion for the same. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll meet. ओके राहुल, इंटरमीडिएट कोडिंग स्किल्स वाले कैसे इंटर्नशिप ले सकते हैं, गाइड करें. ओके, इंटर्नशिप थिंग. Okay, so if you people say, so can like if you people agree, so I can prepare in a video for over कि आप लोग like internships कैसे, how you can grab in, right, और आप internships उस टाइम पे कैसे कर सकते हो. If you people say, so इसमें मैं एक वीडियो बना सकती हूँ और वो उसको हम लोग जल्दी ही चैनल पे ले आएंगे, मे बी नेक्स्ट 1 week में ही या नेक्स्ट 2 weeks में. If you people say in, like please tell me your suggestions everyone. प्रियांशु मुझे समझ में नहीं आया आपने जो बोला, प्लीज़ फिर से बोले हिंदी में, प्लीज़ प्लीज़. ओके प्रियांशु, मैंने आपसे ये कहा था कि अभी रिसेंटली मेरा एक वीडियो आया था जोश टॉक्स स्पोकन इंग्लिश पे, अगर आपने लाइक उसको देखा हो तो ठीक है. सो जो जोश टॉक स्पोकन इंग्लिश पे जो मेरा वीडियो आया है, वहाँ पे जाके आप मुझे सर्च करते हो, आप मुझे सीधे शांभवी गुप्ता सर्च कर लो यूट्यूब पे, आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगा. सो उसमें मैंने कुछ टिप्स और ट्रिक्स शेयर करे हैं जिनसे कि मैंने अपनी इंग्लिश स्पोकन स्किल्स को इंक्रीज़ किया है. ठीक है, सो आप भी उन टिप्स और ट्रिक्स को रेफर कर सकते हो. आप लोग के लिए भी मैंने वहाँ पे उन सारे टिप्स और ट्रिक्स को बताया हुआ है. सो आप उस वीडियो को चेकआउट कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे होपफुली आपको बहुत सारे टिप्स मिलने वाले हैं कि आप कैसे इंग्लिश सीख सकते हो, कैसे आप उसको बोल सकते हो, सारी चीज़ें आपको समझ में आ जाएंगी. ठीक है, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट कि आप एक बार वहाँ पे जाके उस वीडियो को चेकआउट कर लीजिए. परफेक्ट गाइज. सो मैं धीमे से व्हाट आई डू, मैं सबसे पहले प्रोजेक्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ, देन आई प्रोसीड इन फर्दर. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोना मेक अप अ पाइथन प्रोजेक्ट एंड दैट इज योर करेंसी कन्वर्टर. ना करेंसी कन्वर्टर मीन्स कि लेट्स से आई एम हैविंग some rupees. Okay, I'm having some rupees, that is my Indian currency. Right now I want to convert that into US dollars, or I want to convert it in any currency in the complete world. So that currency converter project which I'll be making in today, that particular project will help me to convert one currency into any other currency of my choice. So that seems interesting, right? So yeah, that's what is the project for today, and we'll be proceeding in with the same. Okay, so hope that is clear to you people also, right? That about the currency converter, any one currency can be converted to the any second currency. ठीक है, that is the very simple idea. और ये project बहुत ही simple होने वाला है. It's not at all tough. I won't use any library or something. We won't use anything. It will be your basic concepts like your functions, your loops, right? Only that we will be using your file handling, and with the help of उन सब चीज़ों की help से I'll be helping you to make up this currency converter. That is what is the project for today. Okay, hope I'm clear with that to everyone. If you can confirm me please. Okay Priyanshi, you watched it today. Thank you, thanks a lot. Hi Prakhar, welcome to the live stream. Khatija, how to learn coding like pro, because I'm new to programming. So Khatija, I had already made in a video about how you can learn coding. Okay, so you can just refer on to my videos, go to the videos section, they will be getting up a video about how you can learn coding, the effective way to learn coding. Okay, so you can just refer out that particular video. Abhijit, तो yes, sure, make the video of that internship. Okay, ठीक है, sure. Prepat, from which website you learn first time data analytics course, that is which you have taken in Jan 2020? Okay, actually I won't tell it right now because I even need to figure this out, that is that particular website currently existing or not, because it was a very that type of course that was that time launched, and right now I'm not able to find up that particular course somewhere, right? So just allow me some time everyone, let me search in over once ki is that course currently continuing, is that website currently or not. ठीक है, just let me try to figure in that, and then I'll help your people with the same thing. I'll for sure tell कि मैंने कहाँ से वो course किया था, किस particular website से, right? उसका क्या price है, मैं सब चीज़ें बताऊँगी. But let me once check out is that course really existing or not, because now I can't find that anywhere. ठीक है, so just allow me some time. Okay, most welcome Priyanshu. Abhijit, from which website? That is, yeah, Abhijit, that same response to you also. Let me figure out and then I'll let you people know. Yeah, PHRG and vice versa also will be worked out. Absolutely, it will work. Prepat di, please me float my video too. Prepat, it is already onto my video, so you can go over my playlist section. उस playlist section में आप check out कर सकते हो playlist जो कि है road maps की, ठीक है. उस road maps की playlist में जाके आप data analyst का road map पूरा check out कर सकते हो. Already video उस पे है channel पे, ठीक है. आर्यन गुप्ता मैम, आप यूएसए डॉलर्स को रुपये में चेंज करेंगी? या लाइक एनी पर्टिकुलर करेंसी, ठीक है. आपकी जितनी भी करेंसीज एग्जिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, यू कैन चेंज एनी वन करेंसी टू एनी अदर करेंसी, ठीक है. एनी ऑफ दोस. वो तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल. या यूरो टू डॉलर्स भी, एनी, या एब्सोल्युटली हो, यूरो टू डॉलर्स भी आप उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. परफेक्ट. So Jahir, you missed my chat twice. I'm sorry, Jahir. If you can please once again put your message over there, okay? I'm sorry for that. Yeah, PHRG, it's currency conversion. ठीक है. Nikhil, hello ma'am. What's topic today? So Nikhil, the topic for today is कि we'll be making up a currency converter. Okay, so let's not waste a lot of time over here. Let's get started up here, guys, very quickly. With our project of today, and that is your currency converter. Okay, so let's get started up. So what I'll do is that कि first of all आपको करना क्या है, आपको एक करेंसी की टेक्स्ट फाइल डाउनलोड करनी है फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. जस्ट गो ओवर द गूगल एंड राइट देयर करेंसी टेक्स्ट फाइल डाउनलोड, ठीक है. सो ऑन टू द गूगल यू विल बी गेटिंग मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ websites over there, ठीक है, from which you can download up a text file for your currency text a currency text file, ठीक है. So you just have to download that particular file and you have to save it onto a particular place where your Python file is saved, into which you're writing the code, ठीक है. That's what you have to do. You just have to save that currency file onto the same folder where your Python file is saved, into which you are writing up your code. Fine, that's what you have to do. Proceeding in, I'll be starting out with my with block. With block is also one type of a function which you have up into the Python if you want to open up any particular file, right? So into opening up of that particular file, many a times this with block is used up. That's the reason I'm using up here with open, ठीक है. And into the bracket I'm going to write in my particular file that I want to open up. I want to open my file which is my currency text file.txt, ठीक है. This particular file I want to open in. I can give in a short form, let's say as f. Now this particular file, I'm again repeating, you just have to download up this file from Google and you have to save it onto a folder where your Python file is saved, into which you're gonna write up the code, ठीक है. And now what I'll do, I'll just try to read up all the lines of my this particular file. See, I'll show you how this text file looks like actually. So currency cu, allow me a minute, let me just find in this file, let me show you how this is. Yeah, this is my file. And see, this is how this particular file looks like, ठीक है. So like here you have the Australian dollar और उसके rates you have in. Same here again you have the same things over here based over, like see US dollar उसके rates. So आप मेरी जो फाइल है थोड़ी सी पुरानी है, that is why it is not the very updated amounts यहाँ पे नहीं है. But अगर आप अभी recent की कोई फाइल डाउनलोड करोगे, so you're getting the updated values, the updated amount for the same, ठीक है. आपको updated मिलेगा. So इस तरीके से मेरी फाइल है. अब what I want to read each and every line, because मैं जिस भी particular currency में अपना input दूंगी, अपना amount दूंगी, I want कि मैं किसी दूसरी करेंसी में उसको कन्वर्ट करूँ, right? So in that case I will be needing to read each and every line of my text file. So that is what I will be doing up here. So lines is equal to f dot, and I'll be using my function which is read lines. So this f dot read lines, this particular read lines function, it will help me to read up each and every single line of my text file. Okay, that's what I have to do up over here. Fine. That is about opening up my currency file and reading up the text from that particular currency file, right? Okay, so cannot it get updated live via internet? No, live with internet you cannot. Actually, it's not like that one. So because the text file which you are using, you are downloading that text file, right? If you have in any website and from that website you take in the API, and if you put that API into the project, and then it might take in the live amount, like whatever the current rates are of that particular currency. But for now I'm trying to make it up a little simpler program. So into that simpler version, your files are only getting like you're downloading the file and you're simply using up that particular text file. It's all like that only, right? So if you people can help me out with the one question, that am I clear with this particular thing to all of you guys? ASAP perform, I know, earn money with my coding skills. Okay. Perfect then, perfect. Like if you are aware about this thing, so it's awesome. It's awesome. Very nice. Okay, Ankush Didi, I just finished with my JNCT exam. Will you suggest what language should I start from? I am complete beginner. Okay, so Ankush, in this case मैं आपको ये suggest करूँगी कि सबसे पहले you try to figure it out कि in which field you want to go, ठीक है? You want to go in data science, you want to go in software development, you want to go into web development, right? You just have to figure this particular thing first of all, right? Now when you have figured this out कि in which field you want to go, so each and every field is having its own specific language. As in your web development, in that case your Java is preferred, ठीक है? Your data science, उसमें your Python is preferred. So you can just decide in that which is the particular field into which you want to go, and accordingly you can start learning up your particular programming language. So this will be my suggestion to you for the initial level. PHRT, is it a CSV file? No, it's not a CSV file, it is a text .txt file. Okay, .txt file. Perfect. Okay, so let's proceed on. Now what I'll do is that I'll just try to making up a variable as in currency dict. Okay, or I'll keep an empty dictionary over here. Okay, I'll just try to first of all keep up an empty dictionary over here. I'll fill this dictionary, but not now. Afterwards, I'll just try to fill in up this particular dictionary also. For now, it will be completely empty only. Fine. And now I'll be applying up my for loop. So for line in lines. So lines was my variable into which I am reading up the lines of my text file. Right. So this is what for line in lines. I have a variable, let's say. And now what I'm doing, I'm just trying to split up the lines. Okay, I'm just trying to split up the lines. 1 second, backslash, where is our backslash? Yeah. I'm just trying to split up the lines over there. It means that I just want to like give in some spaces, some tab spaces between the different words whatsoever are there, and even I want to keep it all on a new line. Means one line should contain only one particular currency, other line should contain the other currency, third line third currency. In this manner I want all the things to be, and proper spaces between the things. Right, so that is the reason I am splitting all of these with the help of the /t. So it will help me to even give in the tab spaces, and wherever needed it will help me to get onto a new line as well for my for this particular file. So I'm just splitting that, I'm just trying to make that particular file as a clean file. Fine. And next I'll be using this currency dict, my variable that was empty. And I'll be just like past 0. So past is my variable, which is this particular one, right? So I'm just splitting and saving the things onto my this currency dict, this my empty dictionary. I'm just saving up all of these particular files, right? So that's what is needed up here. I'm just do one thing. I'll just try to close this also over here. Perfect. And I'll just remove this one. Okay, done. So here it is what is being done, that my 0 and the first index, those are getting saved up into my currency dict empty dictionary, which I have right away made out, right? That's what I am doing. So if you people can confirm me, am I clear up till this particular place, everyone? Ankush Didi, I just finished with my yeah, so Ankush, my suggestion to you will be ki, like you can just once check it out about which particular field you want to pursue, okay, and accordingly you can just go ahead with it. Okay, Jahar, for software developer, which language is preferable? So it even depends, like sometimes Java is used, sometimes Python is used. So it depends like your data structures and algorithms, whichever you are learning. So which is the respective language that you are preferring for that. Okay, that's your choice. Because in software development, your DSA is the thing which really helps you out and is the main among all of those. So it depends like what is the particular one which you had learned in, and it's all about that same thing. Ma'am, please make a video about Python versus JavaScript. Which one is best? Okay. Sure, Nikhil, sure. Thank you. Thanks for the suggestion. Shatija, what is in? See, whenever you use up the for loop now, so this in is a syntax in the for loop. For this in this. See, if I have to check in that is this particular word or this particular term is present in this dictionary or not. Right, so I need to apply the for loop, and with that I need to apply that in also, because it will help me to check up that in which file I wanted to check in up the things. Right, so that is what is your in over here. Pratik, could you show the file and could you add what will be stored in the variable in comments? What will be stored in the variable in comments? Acha, sure. I'll do. So first of all, this is the file which we have, and this is the particular file which I was talking about and which you will like downloading from your internet. Okay, this is the particular file. Here you are having the values, and all the values are with their rates. Okay, now here that is what is the required one, and see what it will do. This currency dict, it will one by one try to add in up all of these particular values to your dictionary. So let's say first of all it's gonna add up this particular one, okay, whatever is at your 0th index, it will okay, I just accidentally closed up that file. 1 second, it was this one, hold on, yeah, this one, it was a file, right? Yeah, so it will first of all, let's say, save this particular name, let's say that is your Australian dollar, okay. Now next it will try to save in up the rates over here accordingly. So let's say these are the rates which you are gonna save in. So this is how the particular this one will save in the values. It means that Australian dollar, it is equal to, it is having this particular value today, this particular rate is there, right? So accordingly it will like save up all of the things onto the empty dictionary, which is your currency dict, right? So hope I'm clear with that. Ankush, CS50 good for beginners like me, or should I take any paid course? So no, you can go over your like any in the, if you're a beginner and if you're in a very starting level. So at the initial level, you can just try some hands-on with the some of the courses which are available for free over here, right? And when you think that now you have to pursue your further career into this particular same field only, then if you want, you can purchase up a complete course and you can study from that. So at the initial level for a beginner, it's okay. You can refer any of those. Okay, so most welcome Pratik, Asham. Hi Asha Fruit Products. Rahul, can we make this in Jupyter notebooks? Yes, you can make it, Rahul. Not a worry. Absolutely, you can. PHRG index number. Yeah, this is 0th is your index number and this first is the indexed. So here this automatically 0th it will be taken in and further this will be taken in. Okay, that's how it will be proceeded in further. RN Gupta ma'am, लैपटॉप में पाइथन टाइप करने के लिए कोई फाइल होता है क्या? Yes, RN Gupta, you have some IDEs like your Jupyter notebooks, your pycharm. ठीक है, उनको आप इंस्टॉल करते हो और फिर उन IDEs को इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आप उसमें पाइथन को टाइप करते हो. ठीक है, सो आप इसी सेम जो आपका लाइव जा रहा है इसी सेम लाइव के आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाइए और वहाँ पे मैंने एक वीडियो का लिंक अटैच करा है कि आप पाइचार्म और पाइथन आप कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. तो उस वीडियो को वॉच आउट करके आप पाइथन और पाइचार्म डाउनलोड कर लीजिए एंड देन आप उसमें लिखना अपना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो अपने कोड्स को. ठीक है, दैट इज योर आइडिया. परफेक्ट. सो वी हैव एडेड इन द वैल्यूज. नाउ आई विल बी taking and making up a variable that is my amount. Take amount int, and here I'm going to write up the input, that is I'm going to take up the input from the user. So enter amount. Okay, enter amount. I'll go to a new line also, backslash n. Fine. So I want to take in the input from the user. Ki what is the input that you want to give in, right? What is the amount which you want to give in, and just based over that here I am gonna enter up the amount. Ki this much amount or that much amount I want to convert it into any other particular currency. ठीक है, fine. So पहले भी using numpy and pandas. So no, I won't be using numpy and pandas, Pratik, because this is a simple text file, na? So onto the text file we can't use numpy or pandas, some things like that. If it has been to be a XLSX or CSV file, yeah, then if needed I would have used it, but in this one I won't use this. Okay. Shratija, what is syntax for index numbers? So syntax is Shratija, syntax is nothing as in like that. You just have to write in the respective like I would say the file name or the variable name into which your file is there, for which you are gonna I would say write up the index number. So for me, as I have done, I want to write it for the past for this particular variable. So write that variable and put the large brackets. Inside that large brackets you can put up any particular index value for yourself. Okay, that's how it is. Hi Kirti, welcome to live stream. Okay, most welcome RN Gupta. Before that, I have an announcement to make. Before proceeding further, I have an announcement. So guys, from 5th of September, that is your Monday. Like again, I'm going to repeat. From 5th of September, that is your Monday, I am launching the most awaited series, and that is DSA with Python onto my YouTube channel, Fun with Data Science. So from 5th onwards, I'm launching this series that is DSA with Python. So there you'll be getting to learn about DSA, data structures and algorithms with the help of the Python programming language from the very basics up to the very advanced level. So that it will be very helpful after that to clear your all the MNCs, all your FANG companies, all of those you'll be able to clear in a very, very, very easy manner. So it is being designed in the best manner. The complete videos have been designed in a proper manner. You'll be getting questions also. I'll be helping you with how you can solve those questions. I'll be telling you about the algorithms, the trees, the search, linear search, sorting, everything we'll be covering. Your stacks, queues, each and every single thing, right? So stay tuned from Monday, that is 5th September. Not this Monday, not day after tomorrow, 5th September, the day when it is Teachers Day. So from same day I'm going to launch up this particular course of me onto the YouTube only. Fine, so stay tuned and you can just book your calendars also for the same. make a video on note making for programming. I'm so sorry. I think I'm asking you a lot of questions. Maybe so irritating. So sorry for that. No, Ankush, it's completely okay. I always love interacting with all of my subscribers, all of my people who are there onto my channel. I always love interacting with all of those. So it's not at all a worry. You can ask as many questions as you want in the live streams. Okay, that's why I have planned up these live streams so that I can interact with you. You can even clear up your doubts, and even I can share in some good knowledge with you people. So note making for programming. Okay, sure. I'll try to do so. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Currency text file must be saved in the same folder. Yes, Rahul, currency text file must be saved in the same folder. Otherwise, you will be getting the error that no file found. Error like that you will be getting. Coding section, ma'am, you are developing currency converter app. Yes, coding section, I'm developing up that currency converter, and this pic's looking so good. Thanks a lot. Ankush, will these series be live or pre-recorded? No, Ankush, it is gonna be a pre-recorded series. So every morning 9 a.m. you will get in a DSA video onto the channel itself. Okay, so you can just watch out that particular video, and if any doubts, any queries which you're having, you can always put them onto the comment section. Okay, it's gonna be at that same time. Most welcome. That's Shatija. Most welcome. Pratik will say, will Python will be live? No, Pratik, it will not be like it will be a pre-recorded video which I'm gonna put onto the channel. ओके ठीक है आर्यन गुप्ता 5 सितंबर को हम लोग डीएसए विद पाइथन को स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, जिसमें कि मैं आपके डीएसए को पूरा कवर करूंगी, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिदम को पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग की हेल्प से, पाइथन लैंग्वेज के हेल्प से। सो उसमें आपको सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी, आपकी सारी एल्गोरिदम्स, आपके जितने भी सर्चिंग एल्गोरिदम्स होते हैं, आपकी सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिदम्स, आपके स्टैक्स, क्यूज, सारी की सारी चीज़ें हम लोग कवर करेंगे। इवन उसमें आपके क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे, प्रॉब्लम्स भी होंगी, जो कि मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगी सॉल्व करने में, फिर बाद में आपको उनका सॉल्यूशंस भी प्रोवाइड करूंगी। सो इस तरीके से हम लोग डीएसए सीरीज को लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, और ये आपका बिल्कुल बेसिक से एडवांस लेवल तक जाएगा, और इसको कंप्लीट पढ़ने के बाद, अच्छे से पढ़ने के बाद, आप कोई भी फैन कंपनी बहुत आसानी से क्रैक कर लोगे। सो दिस इज हाउ हम लोग इसको प्लान कर रहे हैं। फ्रॉम 5 सितंबर ये पर्टिकुलर सीरीज लॉन्च कर रही हूँ मैं अपने चैनल फन विद डेटा साइंस पे ही। आपको एवरी मॉर्निंग 9 बजे इसका वीडियो अपने, जैसे आपने चैनल ओपन करोगे, आपको मॉर्निंग में 9 बजे रोज इसका वीडियो मिल जाएगा। Sure, Ajay, I can guide you for this for the data science. So Ajay, you can just please go and you can just once check out my data science roadmap if you want to learn about that. What is data science? What's the roadmap for that? ठीक है, so उसके लिए मैंने roadmap I had already made in a playlist regarding the roadmaps. So you can go over there and you can just you can just like watch out that particular video regarding the data science. Okay, can we make these projects in GUI? Yeah, PHRD, we can sure convert these projects on the GUI, but many times it happens that we have some very beginners in the live, right? So it's not very much easy for them to get these things. That is why I'm telling it into a simpler manner, right? And if you want, you can just very completely cover it or convert it into a GUI based one. Fine. So yeah, that is my enter amount, and next I'll be printing up one more statement over here. And that is that enter the currency you want to convert this amount to. ठीक है, so I just wrote a printer statement that you to enter a currency into which you want to convert this amount to, right? And even we have some available options. So print available options are. So I'll show you. So here what will happen, that all the available options whatsoever we are having now, all of those will come up here in front of you, और आप उन सारे options को you can check it out, and then whatever you want to convert in, you can convert in accordingly. Fine. So moving further, next line, I'll just write print item One second, I need to put in the large bracket. One second. Print item for item in currency dict dot keys. Now, if you people have watched out my video of shorthand for loop, so this is a shorthand for loop which I had applied, like in one only line I had written that for item in currency dict dot keys, print the item from there, right? So I'm just trying to print in the item from this currency dict dot keys, from this particular file, from the keys from there. I'm just trying to print in the item with the help of my for loop, right? So if you people can confirm me, am I clear up till this particular place to everyone? Ankush Didi, can you tell me some prerequisites for DSA, or should I learn some languages for? No, Ankush, it's not needed, but yeah, a little bit of Python programming language will be needed in Ankush. So still you have 1 week, so आप मेरे ही channel से you can learn the Python also. आपको 10 hours का एक course मिल जाएगा, even आपको short videos भी मिल जाएंगे channel पे ही. So you can go over there, you can get some basic hands-on on Python, and rest you leave everything on to me only. Okay, that's not a worry. Okay, most welcome Aryan Gupta. Ajay, I have seen your videos on Fraz channel. Oh, okay Ajay, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching that podcast. Okay, so now I'm going to take in the currency as a variable for me, and I'm going to take in the input from the user, right? So input will be, please enter the currency in which you want to convert. Okay, so this will be one statement will be printed, and after that I'll be printing a final F string statement, and that will be, it will be amount. Amount is a variable which we had made up over here, right? This is a variable. Okay, so amount INR is equal to, into the bracket I'll be writing is equal to amount into float, and it could be like the currency which I'm getting, that could be float also, right? So that's the reason I'm putting up over float. That is my, it could be decimal also, right? That is the reason I'm putting a float over here, and then goes in my currency. Perfect. And okay, one more thing. After this particular one, I will even, this is done, I'll come onto a new line over here, and here I'll be putting up the currency also, so that I just get in the amount or get in the currency whatsoever I'm having, or whatsoever amount I'm converting. See, right now I have taken up the by default as the rupees that we are converting rupees to some other currency. Based over the same thing, you can even do it for the others also. You can ask in that into which particular currency or which currency you want to convert into other currency, right? That input you can take in, right? So if I'm clear up till now, please tell me so that we can run it and once check out if we have any errors, so we are getting the desired output. Pratik, why the square brackets? Could do some basic thing using print var for x in range. Okay, Pratik, see, because whenever you are using up a for loop in this manner, this short for loop, so this shorthand for loop always is based over your like in the one line only you're writing the statement, and into this that same one you're writing the print statement also, which you have to print out, right? And that is the reason it is a syntax that you need to put up in these large brackets, so we can like say that it is one complete line. Otherwise, if I am not putting these large brackets, if I remove it from here also, so it might happen that these two things might seem different, right? But if I am putting these large brackets over here, so it is seeming that this particular one is the same only, right? That this is one single line. That is the reason you need to print in that particular large bracket over here. Ankush Didi, actually I'm very new to IT field. I have no idea where to start, what to do. At the top there are hell lot of resources available on internet. It's damn confusing. Right, yeah, Ankush, that's one thing which you can like say, because in the starting you have many things and many resources. Also, it might happen it's a little difficult for you to deal with the things. Nikhil, I hope I made that line number 12 clear to you, Nikhil, now. Because right away I just have like discussed this thing. If you can help me out, otherwise I can explain once more. Okay. Rahul, the currency text file, it has to be saved up onto the same folder where your Python file is being saved, into which you are writing up this particular code. Okay, again I'll repeat. The currency text file, it has to be saved up onto the same folder into which you are writing up your into which you're like writing up the code in which your Python file is actually saved up over there. Regarding this, make a video or I'll comment on this next video so you can reply. I can think it. Okay, sure, Ankush. Sure, yeah, you can ask me and I'll help you out. PHRT repeat from line 12. So yeah, PHRT in line number 12, we just have put in the for loop for printing up the item, and after that we are trying to take in the input from the user that what is the currency into which the user want to convert up the amount, right? And at last I'm just like trying to print up a statement into which my converted amount will be shown to me, that this is the converted, this is the amount which has been converted over there. Okay, Nikhil, perfect. Okay, Rahul. So, Shatija. In the line number 12, these large brackets are being used because if I'm not going to use up these brackets now, so my print statement and my for loop, both will be treated as two different things. But it is not exactly, right? I'm simply using for item in currency dig.keys, right? I need to print in the item for that. That is the reason I'm just using these large brackets. So if I'm using these large brackets, it will be treated as in one single line only. Okay. गुलशन, हेलो सिस्टर, आपकी वीडियो से मैं थोड़ा पाइथन सीख गया हूँ और मैं भी पाइथन प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, और आप हिंदी में लाइव कब करोगी? ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी हैप्पी गुलशन कि आप पाइथन मेरी वीडियो से सीख रहे हो, और इवन आप पाइथन सीख भी गए हो. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. और लाइक स्पेसिफिकली आई डोंट नो कि मैं हिंदी में लाइव कब करूँगी, बट या एट एनी टाइम अगर आपको लगे कि आपको ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है इंग्लिश में, या यू नीड कि मैं उस चीज़ को हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करूँ, तो आप मुझे यहाँ पे मैसेज ड्रॉप कर सकते हो कि प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी एंड आई विल हेल्प यू आउट विद द सेम. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज इट एक्चुअली. Yes, Pratik, it is same. Right, so what I'll do is that now I'll just try to run this particular program. Let's check it out. How is the result? Okay, 1 second. So you need to enter in the amount. So let's say my amount is 5,000. Okay, so now it is asking that please enter the currency in which you want to convert. Okay, okay. Lots of currencies. Let's say I'll do it for US dollar. I copy this and I'll paste it up over here, US dollar. Fine. So 5,000 INR is this is equal to this US dollar. Ticket is converted. Again, I'm telling you my currency file is not very new. The rates are not exact updated of today, right? So it might happen कि आपके और मेरे rates में differ करेगा, but it's the idea about is the same और पूरा procedure absolutely same रहेगा. So इसी तरीके से आप और भी different currency में convert कर सकते हो, and that is the manner only. अगर if you want to convert rupees to some others, आप यहाँ पे input में like you can convert, you can put in the again a choice कि आपको किस type की currency किस currency में you want to convert. आप यहाँ पे भी choice डाल सकते हो. ठीक है? So hope I made that clear. Shratija ma'am, got it ma'am. Thank you for repeating like so you assemble. Okay, most welcome Shratija, most welcome. Rahul, please zoom out. Okay, fine, Rahul. Is that okay now, Rahul? Jingle bell, geeks for geeks. Okay, yeah, geeks for geeks. Perfect. So guys, if you can tell me that how did you people like the project? So did you enjoy making this app over here? It was quite a simple but yeah, quite a knowledgeable one. गुलशन सिस्टर, आप एक ही हो जो यूट्यूब पर लाइव कोडिंग सिखाते हो, आपके नॉलेज गुड है, आपके इंस्टा पर रिप्लाई नहीं दिया आपने मेरे को. ओके या गुलशन, आई एम द सेम पर्सन जो कि यूट्यूब पर कोडिंग भी सिखाती है. आई एम दैट सेम पर्सन. और मैंने आपको इंस्टा पर रिप्लाई नहीं दिया बिकॉज गुलशन एक्चुअली मैं इंस्टा पर्सनली लुक नहीं करती हूँ. आई हैव अ टीम जो कि मेरे सोशल मीडियाज को हैंडल करती है. सो माइट बी लाइक मिस हो गया हो या अभी तक उन्होंने रीड ना किया हो मैसेज. सो आई इन्फॉर्म देम और अकॉर्डिंगली इफ नीडेड आपको रिस्पॉन्स मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. सो ओके राहुल, perfect. PH RJ, if we do it in Google Colab, shall we got the exact rate? No, you will not get the exact rate because कि आपकी जो भी text file है based over your text file, you will be able to put in up जो भी amount है आपका. ठीक है. So let's say मेरी जो text file थी into that, तो there you were having some different rates, right? So maybe it happened कि आज का rate है वो different है. So Google Colab पे if you will do it, it's not कि you will get in the exact rates. It will only and only depend that onto what type of, I would say, what type of file you are having and how frequently that file has been updated. That's what you will be like getting that over there. ठीक है. Yeah, actually I am also a mentor and a video content creator at Geeks for Geeks Jingle Bell. So I hope now you know that. Great guys. So if you will can let me know like how is the project for today and how much did you people enjoyed making this one. PH RJ, I'm from Kerala, please be in English. Yeah, sure PH RJ, my all the live streams will be in English, but if there is someone who is not able to understand English properly, so here she can just write in the chat box that once explain in Hindi and I'll be really happy to explain these projects in Hindi also, right? But yeah, the default will be the English only here. Okay. Shatija, yes, she is a mentor in GFG. Yeah, actually I am. Thank you, thanks a lot guys. Okay PH RJ, great guys, great, wonderful. Jingle Bell, you're not teaching in GFG practice channel. Because the reason is I am teaching up onto their main channel, right? And that's the reason कि मैं उनके main channel पे पढ़ाती हूँ. That is why I don't teach onto their practice channel. Okay, that's the reason. Jingle Bell. Okay, perfect guys. So again I'll repeat, we are gonna launch up the DSA from 5th of September, right? So stay tuned for the same, and even you can inform out your friends also, other people also about the same, that DSA is gonna start in, so they can also come and join the channel, subscribe out the channel also. And yeah, we'll all learn DSA together. We'll be doing some cool stuff and cracking some good jobs over there. Fine, so that's what it is. Okay Jingle Bell. गुलशन दीदी, मैं आपके जैसे बनना चाहता हूँ और मैं अपने स्कूल की पढ़ाई के साथ कोडिंग भी सीख रहा हूँ और पाइथन के बाद किसे सीखूँ, गाइड करो प्लीज सिस्टर. सो गुलशन, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट यू वांट टू लाइक बी मी, वांट यू कि आप मेरी तरह के बनना चाहते हो. आप पढ़ाई के साथ अपने कोडिंग भी सीख रहे हो, इट्स वेरी नाइस. और पाइथन के बाद सी इट अगेन आई विल गिव द सेम आंसर. आपको ये फिगर आउट करना है कि आपको किस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जाना है. जिस भी आप पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो, उस फील्ड से बेस्ड अपॉन आप कोई भी पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज सीख सकते हो. आपको डेटा साइंस में जाना है तो आपकी पाइथन यूज़ होती है, पाइथन के बाद आर आती है, आप चाहो तो आप एसक्यूएल भी सीख सकते हो। आपको सॉफ्टवेयर में जाना है तो आप जावा, सी या सी प्लस प्लस सीख सकते हो। आपको वेब डेवलपमेंट में जाना है तो आप जावा सीख सकते हो, जावा स्क्रिप्ट। सो इट डिपेंड्स कि आप कौन से पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो। ओके, yeah, sure, PHRG, about the Google Sheets also. Yeah, sure. I just try to like making some things regarding that only. Okay, that also. Gulshan को मैं आपका कोर्स भी करना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज गिव मी लिंक। Gulshan, if you want to do my course, आप Udemy पे जा सकते हो। You can just search over Udemy Shambhavi Gupta, you'll find me there. ठीक है, there I have my 15 courses with 60,000 plus students spread over 173 plus countries. So आप वहाँ पे मेरे courses को refer out कर सकते हो। Okay? Khatija, how did you started your journey in programming? How I started my journey in programming, इसका answer I won't give it today because very soon a video is coming कि मैंने अपनी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट करी थी, हाउ वाज माय जर्नी, लाइक हाउ वाज इट ऑल। बट इट्स बीन अराउंड नाउ, मुझे अराउंड 2 years होने वाले हैं फॉर स्टार्टिंग कोडिंग और ये सारी चीज़ें करते करते। मे बी इन अक्टूबर, या इन अक्टूबर ओनली आई विल कंप्लीट 2 years with coding also, and with all of these stuffs which I am doing, with all of these I will complete 2 years. How did I started my journey? Yeah, in the podcast which is today, that is put down by Fraz, in that I have answered. Yeah, thanks a lot, Oma. I just answered this question कि how did I started my journey in programming. ठीक है, so आप आज का Fraz का podcast देख सकते हैं, there you'll get in the answer for this question। और podcast का link आप मेरे community section पे जा सकते हो, you'll find the link over my community section, so you can go over there and watch out that particular vlog, that particular podcast। Fine guys, so yeah, here I'll be ending up this live session, and next Saturday again we'll be meeting. Next Saturday it's gonna be so awesome. I won't tell you कि why, आपको उस चीज़ के बारे में पता चल जाएगा slowly and gradually, but next Saturday is gonna be very very awesome। और हम लोग फिर Monday को launch कर रहे हैं अपना new DSA का course, that is on 5th of September। Fine, so hope you all will join me on next Saturday same time 10 p.m. in the evening. We're making up some cool Python project, and hope you have enjoyed this particular live stream. Even I enjoyed a lot, so thank you so much everyone for joining up this live stream today. Thank you everyone for coming up here, and once again thank you everyone for supporting me at every time. Today we completed a 15k family, so thank you everyone for that। I'll see you all next Saturday same time 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new projects for everyone। Thanks a lot Shadija। आर्यन तमाम कोर्सेज कैसे बाय करने हैं हिंदी में समझाइए। आर्यन गुप्ता आप यूडेमी में जा सकते हैं, और यूडेमी पे जा करके आप शांभवी गुप्ता सर्च कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है, शांभवी गुप्ता सर्च करते ही आपको मेरे कोर्सेज वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे। आप किसी भी कोर्स पे क्लिक करोगे तो उसमें आपको बाय नाउ का ऑप्शन दिखेगा, आप उस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके और वहाँ से अपने क्रेडेंशियल्स वगैरह को डाल करके आप उस कोर्स को बाय कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, PHRG started my coding in my 58th birthday। Wow, it's so awesome, very nice, so awesome। आप इतने कम एज में सक्सेसफुल कैसे हो गए, प्लीज गिव मी टिप्स। गुलशन, इसके आपको टिप्स मेरे ऑलमोस्ट हर पॉडकास्ट में मिलेंगे। आप जो स्टॉक वाले वीडियो पे जाके देख सकते हो उस वीडियो को, उसमें मैंने बहुत सारे टिप्स शेयर करे हैं आप सभी के साथ, और आपको ऑलमोस्ट मेरे सारे पॉडकास्ट में मेरे टिप्स मिलते जाएंगे, सो आप उनको वॉच आउट कर सकते हो। और विद दिस थैंक यू एवरीवन, आई विल सी यू ऑल नेक्स्ट सैटरडे सेम टाइम 10 p.m. in the evening। बाय बाय एवरीवन एंड टेक केयर।